Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are here live in my hometown, Modena, Italy. You see, there are many offer 50% discount. €1, €1, lana, cotton. Kasi, you see, 20% discount pala. Termoporta. This is via, ano ba yan? Pusgiri. No, good. Wala kami. Bye. Via Francisco Selmi. This is another plaza, guys. As I said, there are many small plaza here. You see, Plaza Torti, Piazzale Torti. It means Plaza Torti. You see, that one that I saw in my video. The first video I made, I don't know the name. There's no rating of the plaza. This is a plaza, you see. So I have to. I think I can. You see, guys, very nice. Uh-huh. You see. I think I can across here. No, wait. Let's try to. See, this is my town. Here in our region, Emilia Romagna, all arc, arco. You see. In other region, if you go to Lombardy, if you go to another region, Veneto or other uh, region, no arc. You see, this is every region have their own what we call that one. See, very nice. I like. I love my own. So, where is the church? Today, I am here in the center town to distribute the depliance in the church because of what is that? Dito Studio Tecnico. No, this one. Via Kamata. Kamata daw. San Gimignano, via San Gimignano. And this is, see, what's that? That is a church? No. Via San Gimignano. What is this? I think university. No. Wait, you see? Very dirty. Very dirty. Uncivilized people. Very dirty. Lolo. University of Study Modena Reggio Dipartimento of Jurisprudenza. University. Jurisprudenza, guys. Avocado. Studio Avocado. Attorney ba? It's not easy here. Where is the church that I am looking for? Banda rito yata yun. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. This is Modena Live here, Modena, Italy.